this.
What's up, Sharks? How are you Sharks doing? It's so good to be here. As your in-house buttercloth, long fiber cotton scientist, it's my job to ensure that every shirt maintains its 6-way stretch and breathability. Watch this.
Very soft.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a
cotton
Perfect for you, big fella.
All right, appreciate it. Nice job.
It's 100% cotton.
100% cotton.
Dan, tell us your story.
I grew up in Vietnam. My dad run a tailor shop in Vietnam. And when I was 10, I make my own clothes.
So you're the real deal.
I'm the real deal.
What are you going to do with the $250,000?
Well, actually, 2/3 of it's going to be going into additional inventory and about 1/3 of it into additional marketing.
So let me ask you a question. This feels amazing.
Thank you.
So how much is this shirt?
It's cost from 98 to 118.
And where are you selling them?
We strictly online right now.
How much have you sold?
7 months, we do over $500,000 in sale.
Wow.
Wow.
Good for you.
I'm out.
I'm out.
I'm out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One shark left. Robert, what are you doing?
I like it. I'll give you the $250,000, but I want 25%.
Would you do $250,000 for 20%?
No, I can't do it for 20. It's a lot of work. In my mind, I was going to go with 35%. Those are the words coming out of my mouth. And for some reason, I went to 25. I just feel I'm a quarter partner.
I accept your offer, Robert.
Congratulations, Dan.
That's awesome, isn't it?
That's the best reaction ever.
That's awesome, man.